Hi friends, it's Mari here for Honeybee Stamps. This is the brand new 6x6 paper pad called Bee Bliss. It is absolutely gorgeous. There are 26 sheets of double-sided paper, 2 of each design in this paper pad. The papers are just so pretty. I love the colors. I love the different patterns. I love that there's dark and light. Gorgeous geometrics and just some really stunning colors. I think it's really beautiful and so many different ways that you can use this paper pad for sure. I'm going to be using the brand new Terrific Tags die from Honeybee and the Birthday Bliss release, and I wanted to cut the tags from some of the paper from this paper pad. I forgot to show you the papers at the back, which are just gorgeous pinks and grays, just lovely different patterns. And so like I said, I did want to use this paper to cut out my tags today. My idea was to cut the tags. There are 5 tags in the set. Cut each one of the different tags from patterned paper and then also cut the tags from white cardstock and adhere the patterned paper onto the white so that you get a really nice substantial weighted piece for your tag. And then there's also a space in white to write a message on the back of the tag as well. Now the die set also includes these reinforcers so that you can die cut the reinforcements from whatever kind of cardstock, whatever color, etc. that you might want. And I decided to cut mine from teal cardstock just to provide a bit of contrast to the tags. And you just seeing here, I'm just adding that patterned paper onto the white cardstock with my Honeybee liquid glue tube here. And this is just going to create just these really pretty tags with a really lovely patterned paper on one side and then the white on the back. Now you could definitely cut these out just with white cardstock and then stamp directly onto the tag. I wanted to use the Best Gift Ever stamp set, and I wanted to stamp my sentiments on white cardstock and then cut them out and add them onto the tags in that way. So I've got some white cardstock in my MISTI. I've treated the white cardstock with my Rabbit Hole Designs anti-static powder tool because I do want to do a little bit of embossing. I'm inking up the stamps, I should say, with VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink, which is really good for heat embossing because it stays wet for a little while. It doesn't dry super fast. I'm going to stamp these stamps out a couple of times just so that I get a really nice dark impression, and then I will be heat embossing them with clear embossing powder. So I'm just making sure that I have a really nice dark impression here. Like I said, I will stamp them twice just to make sure they're nice and crisp and black, a nice solid impression of those sentiments. The sentiments in this Best Gift Ever set are absolutely hilarious. They're just so fun. And they have everything on them from handmade with love to things like I hope you love it, I almost kept it, put on your happy face, sorry it's not a pony. So just a ton of really fun sentiments on and greetings on these on this stamp set, on the Best Gift Ever set, which is just a really fun set. And the sentiments are meant to fit on the tags. So like I said, you can stamp these directly onto the tags, and there's literally a sentiment that fits every one of those 5 tag dies that are part of the Terrific Tags die set. I have linked up to all of the different products that I've used in my project today, so you can find those links in the description box below. So you can see I've added the clear embossing powder over the stamped images, and I'm just now taking my heat tool and melting that clear embossing powder, and that's just going to leave a really nice raised crisp sentiment for my project today. And then what I'll do is I'll take some circle and oval punches and I'll punch the sentiments out, and that was really easy to do. If you've got some little circle dies, like if you want to use your Honeybee Stamp Sweet Stack circle dies, you can totally use those to die cut these out as well. Or any of the other shape dies that you have, you can definitely die cut these or use your punches to punch them out. And then you've got a ton of different sentiments. And I wanted to do a little bit of layering with some of them as well. So I used a circle punch to cut out the sentiment, and then I used a circle punch a little bit larger with that same teal cardstock to layer them up. So here you can just see I'm putting a layer of foam adhesive on the back of the circle in white, and then I'll layer that onto the same color of teal cardstock that I used to die cut out the reinforcements for the tags as well. And I just think that's just a really fun look. I will take my honeybee glue tube and I will go ahead and add a little bit to the center of the circle, and then I'll adhere that onto the tag. And I just love how that looks. And some of the tags, the sentiment is going to overlap over the edges of the tag, which is totally fine. And you can tie these onto a gift bag, or you can add them to a box. Lots of different ways that you can use these, but I really love the tags. And you could even use the tag on the front of a card. So you could use this as an embellishment on the front of a card project, and it's a really fun and cute way to add a sentiment to a card as well. I also just showed you there's lots of space on the back to write a little message to the recipient. And you'll just see me here doing the exact same process here with this tag here, just adding that foam adhesive on the back of the circle and then adding that onto the cardstock. So these came together super fast. You can definitely batch these out. You can make them in any type of seasonal theme. You can make a whole bunch for birthday cards. You can make a bunch for Christmas gift tags as well. Lots of different ways that you can use these terrific tag dies. And then, of course, the best gift ever, which has just the most fun sentiments. I love the little crinkle ribbon here on this tag. I just wanted to show you it's really super easy to just tie a little bit of ribbon through the hole in the tag, and you can attach those then onto your gift, whatever it is. And so I also wanted to add some of the brand new Aurora Borealis gem stickers onto my tags as well. So all I'm going to do here is just take my pen blade and put some of those gems on the little circles on each one of the tags, and just adds a little bit of bling. I have added links to all of the products, which I've mentioned before, in the description box below. So if you go below the video, you just scroll down and you look below there, there's a show more section. And if you just click that, it opens up and it shows you all of the different products that I've used. And there's little links there that you can click on to shop in the Honeybee shop. So you can find all of these different products over at Honeybee Stamps. And I just absolutely love these tags. I think they're so super cute and really versatile, and just an excellent thing to have in your stash. Thank you so much for watching today, friends. I hope you stay well, stay safe, and I will see you very soon right here on Honeybee Stamps. Bye-bye.